my channel. My today's recipe is chicken yakhni pulao. This is a really tasty dish, and please follow the tips and tricks that I will share to make a perfect non-sticky and super delicious chicken yakhni pulao. My channel all about easy to follow, easy to implement, ingredients always displayed on the right and highlighted for each cooking step. If you like my channel, please do subscribe, share and like. So come follow along and cook with me. First, I'm going to soak the rice. Here I have taken 500 grams of basmati rice that I have washed really well. And now I'm going to soak the rice in water and keep it for about 20 to 30 minutes. First, I'm going to cook the chicken and make our yakhni or the chicken stock. For that, we'll add a few ingredients. Half teaspoon black peppercorns, 2 1-inch cinnamon stick, 5 green cardamoms, 2 black cardamoms, 6 cloves, 1 small nutmeg, 1 star anise, a quarter teaspoon of mace. So I'm going to go ahead and add all of this in this pan. 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon fennel seeds, 1.5 inches of chopped ginger, just roughly chopped it, 8 to 10 garlic cloves, 1 medium onion, 150 grams, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 kg of chicken, and we will add about 1.5 liters of water and also add some salt. And now we will turn on the oven and bring the water to a boil. The water has now come to a boil. Now we will cover this with a lid, and at a medium to a medium low flame we'll continue to cook this till the chicken becomes completely tender. Should take somewhere between 15 to 20 minutes. It's been 15 minutes and the chicken is now completely cooked. Now what we will do, we will take the chicken, pick up the chicken pieces and take that in a separate container. So go ahead and do that for all the chicken pieces. I have taken all the chicken pieces in a separate container. Now we will drain this, and this is going to be our yakhni or the stock. So let's go ahead and drain this. I have drained out the yakhni or the chicken stock. We are going to use this stock later in the process, and this is the masala that I've drained out. This does not go in the chicken yakhni pulao. However, I always store this and reuse it for some other curry. Now we will start making our chicken yakhni pulao. For that, here I have 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. I'm adding the oil. Wait for the oil to be really heated up. The oil is now hot. Now I will add some whole spices. Here I have half a teaspoon black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 1-inch cinnamon stick, 4 green cardamoms, 2 black cardamoms, 5 to 6 cloves. So I'm adding all of those. And now we will fry this for 30 to 40 seconds till we get a nice aroma from the whole spices. Now I will add 1 medium onion that I have sliced, and we will fry the onions till they caramelize and turn light brown. The onions have now caramelized. Now I will add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and then we will fry this at a medium to a medium low flame for another 3 to 4 minutes till we no longer get any raw smell of the ginger garlic. It's been another 3 minutes and I'm no longer getting any raw smell of the ginger garlic. Now I will add half a cup of yogurt. Make sure you whisk the yogurt well and lower the flame before adding it. And a few dry powdered spices, 2 teaspoons Kashmiri red chili powder. You can also use regular red chili if you want more heat. Half a teaspoon black pepper powder, Now we will mix this well and continue to cook this till we can see the oil separating from the sides. This takes somewhere between 5 to 6 minutes, and make sure you keep stirring all the time. It's been 5 minutes, and as you can see, the oil is separating out and our masala is really nicely fried. Now we will add some salt as per taste, and also add quite a bit of the coriander leaves, and mix this well. And now we will add the chicken that we had set aside. And now mix the chicken well with the masala and cook this for another 3 to 4 minutes at a medium flame. The chicken is now really well coated with the masala. Now we will add the yakni or the resort stock that we made before. So go ahead and add all of that. And now we will bring this to a boil. The yakni or the stock has now come to a boil. Now I will add the basmati rice that I had soaked before. So I strained the rice out. So I'm adding that. And now we will cook the rice in the stock till the water reduces. So for about 5 to 6 minutes at a high flame. You can see the water has really reduced. Now we will add some green chilies. So I've sliced the green chilies in the middle. You can skip this if you don't want to have more heat. And now we will lower the flame, and at a low flame we will continue to steam cook this for about 15 to 20 minutes till all the water dries up and the rice gets completely cooked. It's been 20 minutes. Now I will turn off the oven and let it stay for another 5 minutes. It's been another 5 minutes and our chicken yakni pulao is now completely ready. I will show you that how nice and separate this is. So you can see the rice is really nice and separate. So please do try the recipe this way, and I'm sure you'll love it. And thank you so very much for watching my channel.